Hello guys, welcome to this segment of WeatherView, and on this segment I will be focusing on the Thanksgiving travel outlook for Wednesday and Thursday's travels to your Thanksgiving festivities across the Ohio Valley Great Lakes area. Let's start with the regional travel outlook overall map, which you can see has good isolated hazardous and hazardous levels. So the red would be the worst travel conditions with icy, snowy, wet roads. Yellow would be sporadic areas, and green would be decently okay. So here are the maps, starting with the early morning of Wednesday. You can see the ice starting to work in the pink in northeast Indiana, northwest Ohio, even a little bit of Michigan there. But snow up here towards Duluth, Minneapolis, Marquette, and you can see this start to progress to the east as we go into the mid-morning with some more ice starting to work in just north of Columbus. It will change over to rain. Some snow near Cleveland, snow up through the UP and LP of Michigan, and even towards Minneapolis, Duluth still ongoing through the mid-morning. And as we go into the next frame, this will be about lunchtime. You can see most of it is turned to rain south of the Great Lakes, with the exception of the Buffalo area in northeast Pittsburgh. So you can see that there will be some decent snowfall in the central part of LP Michigan as well as UP Michigan. And that continues but starts to wind down in the LP as we go into the evening, or actually this is the early morning of Thanksgiving Day. Some ice starts to work in on the New York-Pennsylvania border in north central Pennsylvania. So that should be interesting to see how quickly that'll change over and see how much ice they'll get there. And it keeps it there for the middle of the day on, or in the middle of the morning, excuse me, on Thanksgiving. So we'll have to watch that very closely as this approaches. And it starts to wind down in the LP of Michigan. Marquette's still getting the snow there, though. And it starts to snow a lot in the Adirondacks and in the Vermont mountains there, especially north of Albany. So we'll have to watch that. The Syracuse, Oswego areas eastward. But by lunchtime, it appears to have cleared up across most of the Ohio Valley, and it'll be not sunny for most areas. It'll probably be cloudy, but it'll be a pretty nice, temperate Thanksgiving. A little chilly, but Thanksgiving usually is. You can see the snow continue into the evening here in the Adirondacks. Maybe some more snow for the evening just south of Fargo and west of Minneapolis, so we'll have to watch that. But it seems like most of it has cleared up. So again, here is the overall travel outlook. It shows the red being anywhere from Wednesday morning to Thursday evening. So any time in that zone. That's why it's such a big area. So you can expect to have better conditions as the day goes on or early in the day. Here is the snowfall outlook. Now, most of the snow that they show in Pennsylvania and Ohio and Indiana, that will melt, but LP Michigan, UP Michigan, as well as Wisconsin and Minnesota will see some decent, moderate snowfall, anywhere from 2 to 5 inches, it appears. Most of the stuff near Minneapolis will have fallen before the 23rd, because I'm shooting this on the 22nd. This QPF means precipitation. This is from the 23rd to 24th. Some decent rainfall could happen south of Springfield up through Lansing. So maybe downpour or two overnight. And just a heads up, here's a 7-day. You can see a narrow band of pretty heavy rain there, just west of Bowling Green up through Cincinnati, and another one east of Springfield, west of Indianapolis. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. My Instagram is at WeatherViewUSA. My Facebooks are WeatherViewUSA and US Weather Central. So go follow those for the most up-to-date weather posts. So I will post like warnings in the regional area, outlooks for my local area, and general outlooks of like if there's a big snowfall event or something, I will post that about the whole US, and then international events as they appear to be on a bigger scale. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.